and welcome to the channel today. Please give us a like and subscribe if you think this is helpful for you. Today we're going to be swapping the battery in this Honda key. You need a 2032 battery today. These are quite a common one and available in most stores. We'll pop that one to one side, get straight into it. Okay, let's just check this remote key is the same as yours. Now the easiest way to do this, there is a cutout there. You can release the back of the key, which is this side, but I found it easier if you go into this side and just get a small screwdriver, hold the key firmly, hold the screwdriver and just put a bit of light pressure in there, just release the bottom edge, put your finger and thumb between there, and as you can see the back flips off and it reveals the battery. The battery is placed in positive side up. So if you get your small screwdriver, there is a little positive emblem there as well, and then just pop that up there and that releases the battery. And as you can see, there's your smooth side, which is always your positive side. The domed edge is always your negative side. So we'll just get the new battery, and just be careful when you go in. Just pop the bottom edge in first, just lightly press it into place with your thumb like that. Get the back of the key, line everything up before you press it back in. Once you've got it lined up, it should just snap back into place. And that's job done on your Honda flip key remote. Hope that was helpful for you. Check out our other videos and we'll see you soon.